I'm Kip from kiphakes.tv, and today I'm showing you around the Facebook Portal TV. Now you might be thinking, you've already done a video about this, and you'd be correct, I have. But basically it was one of those videos that I hadn't really planned or thought about, and I was just making it up as I was going along. I mean, I guess I'm doing that now. But I didn't cover things that people wanted to see. So I've looked back at the comments, and I'm going to show you a bit more on the portal, and also a call in progress, and sort of, you know, give you a better overview. And also, since I've done the video, the software on the portal has changed a little bit. So yeah, I thought I'd show you how it's looking as of December 2020. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I've actually set up a pretend Facebook account, because I didn't really want you having a little look through all my friends and they're having their pictures on the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my new Facebook account and hopefully get this set up with that account, and we can do some calls and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my phone connected to the portal, and hopefully get it working. I think because I said the P word did like its inbuilt voice assistant, but we won't worry about that. Anyway, right, first of all, we need to add my account to the portal. Now you can add a WhatsApp account, you can add a workplace account, the Facebook workplace thing, but we're just going to go for the bog standard Facebook one, so let's continue. Oh, you can, okay, you can do like multiple. We'll just do Facebook for now. Okay, so what I need to do now is go to www.facebook.com/device. Thankfully, it's already there. And what code do I have to enter? RRCCRTNX. Done. And don't ask me to confirm login again. Yes. Now it's asking me to confirm that I'm okay to make changes with Portal. Yes, I am. There we go. So I've connected Portal to my device, and it's just doing its thing. Ba-ba! There's me. There we go. We're signed in as Hip Cakes. See what I did there? See what I did there? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you what happens when you get a call on your portal. So yeah, we've got Sky on. Just sat watching TV, and I'm going to call my good buddy Hip Cakes. Oh look! Portal is ringing. Right, let's turn over to the portal. Okay, yes, I'm going to answer this. I'm just going to turn the volume down so we don't get echo. So basically what you can see on the screen now is what's going through my phone. This is weird, isn't it? This is like very meta. So basically I'll show you the portal in action. So if I stand up, the camera pans up with me, and if I move to the side, it follows me around the room. See? Isn't that cool? And then if I sit back down into the position, it will zoom in on my face. Yep, there we go. That's cool, isn't it? That's really cool. I mean, it's not very flattering, the angle that I've got my phone at, but you can see. And now what can you do with the remote during the call? That's a good question. Now we can do different things. Now I can make me bigger. There you go. Ah! And you can actually choose to pick out different faces in the room as well. So if there's more than one person in the frame, you can pick between different faces, which is really cool. What can I add? Oh, hang on. So now we can do things together. So we can mic drop. I don't know what that is. We can do story time. We can do play time. We can add effects. Shall we add an effect? There we go. Let's beard me up. Ho, ho, ho! You've been a very bad boy. Look, there's even like, is that Hanukkah one? There we go, look at that. You can add these silly effects, which is really cool. Oh no. See, it's daft fun, it really is. Can I change the background? Nightmare Before Christmas background. How's that going to work? Look at that. Beep, boop, 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 boop. I'm in Star Wars. Does it move with me? Does it move? Oh, it's a bit confused. There we go. Cool. I like that. Can I turn the background off? Cool. And also, so if you wanted, let's have a look at the other settings. Photo casting. Don't want to do that. But yeah, so you could read a story to your child who's not with you. So let's have a look at the Footbook. So let's load this up. And look, it's actually broadcasting to the phone. And look, there we go. Left foot, right foot, right. Feet in the day, feet in the night. Wet foot, dry foot, low foot, high foot. You can also switch between who's reading as well, which is really, really nice. I like that. So you could read with your child and then switch and they could read. It's so smart. It's so good. Right. So yeah, that is how it works on the call. Let's. So at the moment, it's just focused on me because I'm the only one here. And you can just turn off the camera as well if you want a bit of go away time. So yeah, that is how it looks like through the call. As you saw, when it rings, it doesn't like switch over the channel. It just does the ringing on the top with the light notification and the sound notification as well. Well, what we'll do is we'll end this call. So let's have a little look around the rest of the portal and see what we've got and see what apps there are. So we've got contacts, that will list all your contacts. Portal apps, we'll do that. So we'll see what apps are available. I did hear that Zoom was coming to this, but it doesn't seem to be on here. So at the moment we've just got Deezer, Netflix, Neverthink, Photo Booth, Prime Video, Workplace, Facebook Watch, Storytime, Spotify, Red Bull TV and Workplace Live. I don't use Workplace, so I can't really tell you much about that. Isn't that Facebook's answer to Zoom? I don't know. I must admit, we've used this so much over the holidays and lockdown and everything like that because it is a lovely way of just being in touch with people. On Boxing Day, I had the kids here with me, Vicky was here, and we called my mum and my stepdad on here, and it was great to have them on the screen. And then we added my sister into the call, so you can have multiple people in the calls as well, and they appear on the screen, and it's just so nice. As I think the Portal TV has really changed the way we communicate as a family. It really has. It's such a good device, and yeah, it's just nice having it in the home. And there's such minimal faff to it. Like, it just works. You don't need to be pressing the buttons and stuff during the call. It just all works. And the way it integrates with Facebook and WhatsApp is just really smart. I really like the Portal TV. Now, I don't think there's much else to show you. I think my only gripe with the Portal TV is perhaps the camera resolution could be a little bit higher. I think it's only 720p. And the sensor's quite small, so if the room's darker than, I mean, it's a bit darker in here at the moment because I've got it set up so you can see the screen and me using it. But yeah, it's not particularly dark, but the picture doesn't look as good as perhaps it should do. If that had a 4K sensor in there, that would be amazing. That would be really good. And maybe a bigger sensor. But that would make the device bigger. I don't know. But yeah, I love the Portal TV. I definitely recommend one. And it's fun, you know, you can call your contacts on Messenger and on WhatsApp and stuff like that. But I think this works really well if they've got a Portal TV as well. By Facebook, and people are wary of Facebook, and you do need a Facebook account to use it. So, you know, that's possibly a downside, but I don't mind Facebook. I hopefully given you a bit more of a rundown of how this all works. and covered things that I missed off in the other video. But please do give my channel a subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. I produce so much different content, it's all over the place, but if you like techie stuff, if you like nerdy stuff, if you like theme parks and roller coasters and just general family fun, that is what I do on this channel. So if you want to come back, please do make sure you're subscribed. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!